I am going to show you how I packed this bag for a weekend trip. But first, can we just take a minute to talk about how cute this is? So here is my toiletry packing pod. I'm going to pop this one in here. I have 3 pairs of shoes at the bottom. I have a pair of sneakers, a pair of kind of like, sandals, and then also a pair of flats. So 3 pairs of shoes in here, which is amazing. This packing cube has my undergarments in here. So we're going to pop this one in here as well with the toiletries. Packing cube with my day-to-day outfits. So I have 3 outfits for 3 days in here. We're going to pop this in the bag as well. And then last, I'm going to do this little smaller bag for my lounge clothes and pajamas. So there is also pockets in here. So there is 1 zipper pocket, and then here is a tiny pouch. So if you want to pop anything in here, you can. And then there is also in the front another area which I'm going to put my phone charger and probably a scarf to tie my hair up at night. And then here on the back, for this trip, I'm not going to need it, but here, if you want to put it on the back of your, or if you're in the airport, if you want to like plop it on your carry-on, you can do that as well. And here is another zipper pocket. Can we just celebrate all the different pockets? This bag is a go. 10,000%. Let me zip it up. So here it is, fully zipped up, packed and ready to go. I probably am just going to use the handle. I like to test my strength a little bit, but it does also come with this if you want to carry it on your shoulder. So I love, love, love this bag, and I highly recommend it.